General Awany has lost a brother who was serving for the African Union in Somalia and the Uganda People's Defense Force, that is UPDF. This brother is by the name Opiyo. Is Opiyo Patrick Awany. He was also having some rank in the army. He was a major. So Major Opiyo Patrick Awany passed away yesterday, the 7th of July, from Somalia at his duty place. So that is a very tragic moment. That's a very tragic thing. May his soul rest in peace, and may the good Lord also grant the Awany family strength during this difficult time, and they go through it and heal properly. And also, let me take a look at the people who also sent their condolences. That is Night Republic Queen, that is Sherry Princess. I had to say, RIP Major Opiyo. She sent that message. Then also, NRM Secretary General, that is Todwong Richard. I call him one of the wisest. Todwong Richard said, I celebrate my brother, Major Opiyo Patrick Awany. Your dedication to protecting our country was your code, and you approached your duty with unmatched passion. You bravely faced countless battles in the Central African Republic, Eastern DRC, Congo, and Somalia. That's what Todwong revealed about his late brother. Todwong also went ahead to say that your life was tragically cut short this morning, the 7th of July, 2024. As you served our continent, Africa, that is what you met. May your legacy endure to inspire more heroes. We will forever hold you in our hearts, Patrick. You were a true patriot. And also, another person by the name Lapiem Thomas Awany. Lapiem Thomas Awany, who I suggest could also be relative to the Awany's family, said, Major Patrick Awany, it's clear that you endured hardship, considered not our well-being but of others. There is no love greater than a sacrifice to lay your own life for the peace of others. We shall forever honor you and the person you have been. May his soul rest in peace. That is what Lapiem Thomas Awany has said about the passing away of Major Opiyo Awany. Last person who we have on our list who has sent the condolence in the public is Otema Francis. The person's name is Otema Francis. Otema Francis said, rest in power, Major Opiyo Patrick Awany. He served Uganda with pride. So, this is the condolences so far that happened. Also, the burial arrangement or the burial meeting has started, and an announcement has already also been made about the passing away. So they said the burial meetings are taking place at his home, which is also located in Gulu City. Thank you so much for knowing this. Thank you so much for watching this. And as I said earlier, may his soul rest in peace. Thank you.